Transform your creative projects with precision, speed, and stunning stitch quality. Best embroidery sewing machines combine advanced embroidery features, user-friendly controls, and reliable performance to help bring custom designs, monograms, and decorative patterns to life with professional-looking results right from home. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Janome Buttonhole Sewing Machine. The Janome Buttonhole Sewing Machine offers a compelling combination of sewing and embroidery functions, making it an excellent option for creative users who want versatility without dedicating space to multiple machines. Designed to handle garment construction, decorative sewing, monogramming, and embroidery projects, this machine provides a wide range of creative opportunities. One of its standout features is the collection of 241 built-in embroidery designs, which can be customized directly on the 3.5-inch color touchscreen. Users can resize, rotate, combine, flip, and edit designs with ease, allowing for extensive personalization. The machine also includes 300 built-in stitches with automatic preset recommendations, helping users quickly select appropriate settings and pressure feet for different sewing tasks. A particularly useful feature is the innovative hoop tightening system, which allows fabric to be positioned accurately before locking it securely in place. This reduces frustration and helps improve embroidery precision. Convenience features such as optical bobbin thread monitoring, automatic thread cutting, and the superior thread threader 2 contribute to a smoother sewing experience by minimizing interruptions and setup time.
Number 4. Poolin EOC07 Sewing Machine. The Poolin EOC07 sewing machine is a computerized embroidery machine designed for users who need larger embroidery areas and enhanced workflow efficiency. One of its most attractive features is the generous embroidery field, which supports multiple hoop sizes and accommodates larger projects with fewer rehooping requirements. This capability is especially useful when working on garments, patches, bedding, bags, towels, hoodies, and other customized products. The machine is well suited for hobbyists, side business owners, and small commercial operations that want to handle larger and more complex embroidery designs. Powered by the InStitch OS3 operating system, the EOC07 offers an intuitive user experience that helps reduce the learning curve for beginners. The 7-inch color touchscreen provides clear previews of embroidery designs, stitch progress monitoring, and simple navigation through machine settings. Wireless file transfer through Wi-Fi and compatibility with embroidery software make design management convenient and efficient. Users can also transfer files via USB for additional flexibility. The inclusion of multiple embroidery hoops further expands the machine's versatility, allowing users to tackle projects of varying sizes without purchasing extra accessories.
Number 3. Poolin Friendly Sewing Machine. The Poolin Friendly Sewing Machine is designed specifically for embroidery businesses and high-volume production environments where speed and efficiency are essential. Equipped with 15 needles, this machine significantly reduces downtime by allowing multiple thread colors to remain loaded simultaneously. Automatic color changes eliminate the need for constant manual intervention, helping users complete projects faster and increase productivity. Poolin estimates that users can save several minutes per design, making a noticeable difference in larger production runs. The machine performs particularly well on structured hats and 3D puff embroidery, producing clean and consistent results even on thicker materials. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame and a stable power system, it is engineered to operate continuously for extended periods while maintaining stitching quality. The setup process is streamlined through USB and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing users to import designs quickly and begin production with minimal preparation. Poolin also offers strong customer support through live demonstrations, online tutorials, user groups, and direct communication with engineers.
Number 2. Smartstitch 1200 SPM Sewing Machine.
The Smartstitch 1200 SPM sewing machine is built for serious embroidery work and offers many features commonly found in larger commercial machines. Designed to support business owners, entrepreneurs, and ambitious hobbyists, this machine delivers speed, precision, and reliability in a compact package. Its upgraded operating system includes automatic thread trimming, automatic color changing, thread break detection, laser embroidery positioning, and a self-lubrication system that helps maintain smooth operation. These automated features reduce manual effort and allow users to focus on productivity. The machine is capable of handling a wide range of materials, including denim, leather, canvas, vinyl, shoes, bags, and caps, making it suitable for diverse embroidery applications. Smartstitch places significant emphasis on user support, providing detailed training videos, operation manuals, and access to experienced engineers who assist with setup and troubleshooting. The active user community also provides valuable guidance for beginners. Wi-Fi and USB connectivity offer flexible design transfer options, while the included starter kit allows users to begin projects immediately.
Number 1. Brother SE700 Sewing Machine. The Brother SE700 sewing machine is an impressive combination sewing and embroidery machine, designed for users who want to explore both crafts without purchasing separate equipment. Its versatile design makes it suitable for beginners while still offering enough features to satisfy more experienced creators. With 103 built-in sewing stitches and 135 built-in embroidery designs, users can create everything from everyday clothing repairs to personalized decorative projects. The 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area provides sufficient space for monograms, logos, and creative embellishments, while the included embroidery arm and hoop allow users to get started immediately. A major advantage of this machine is its wireless connectivity, which enables embroidery file transfers from a computer or mobile device. The Artspira app adds another layer of creativity by allowing users to design and transfer custom embroidery patterns wirelessly. The 3.7-inch color touchscreen is bright and easy to navigate, making design selection and editing straightforward. Practical features such as the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin simplify setup and reduce interruptions during projects. Whether creating custom gifts, home decor items, or fashionable garments, the Brother SE700 delivers reliable performance and modern convenience.
That wraps up our picks for the best embroidery sewing machines. Whether you're personalizing gifts, creating custom designs, or expanding your crafting skills, the right machine can make every project more enjoyable. Compare the features that matter most, choose the best fit for your needs, and start stitching with confidence.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.